Introducing Easyflex residential gas connectors. Welcome, I'm Frank with Easyflex, and in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to our residential gas connectors. These connectors are perfect for all types of residential gas appliances and come leak tested from the factory. They're made from 304 stainless steel and come with brass and zinc plated fittings. All three types of our residential gas connectors are available in multiple connection types, sizes, and lengths. These gas connectors here are the stainless steel version, and they come with various types of connections: MIP by MIP, MIP by FIP, FIP by FIP, and MIP by ball valve. These are also available in a wide range of lengths to accommodate virtually any application. They are epoxy coated for added protection against household chemicals and general wear and tear. Stoves, ovens, dryers, furnaces, fireplaces, and space heaters. You name it and we'll most likely have a gas connector for it. And for added convenience, or just in case you need a new valve, we also offer gas connectors with a straight ball valve attached on one end. Here is an Easyflex tip to help you out. Use the discreet black epoxy-coated stainless steel connector for minimal visibility where a yellow connector might be too visible. I hope this video has been helpful in learning about our huge category of residential gas connectors. Links for each item are in the video description below, and for product details, please visit our website, easyflexusa.com. If you still have any questions, our support line is open. And for more Easyflex videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.